it's Regina, your host of Eat Drink Local Texas, and today I'm here at Hopscotch, an interactive gallery here in downtown San Antonio filled with artwork from diverse artists all around the world. Let's go ahead and check them out. Hey guys, so I'm here with the co-founder of Hopscotch, Nicole Jensen. Nicole, thank you so much for having us here today.
Thank you for coming.
I have a couple of questions for you. So what inspired you to open up your art gallery?
For me, I love bringing people together. I've been doing that my whole life. I create unique experiences. So I think that's the framework of it. And then the second point is just connecting artists and consumers. So immersive artists in particular. It's huge types of pieces, as you'll see when you go to the gallery. So outside of a festival, people can't really see that every weekend. And so we wanted to create a platform where artists could connect with guests.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And what is Hopscotch?
So first and foremost, it's an art gallery, an immersive art gallery. So again, until you experience it, it's kind of hard to understand, but you interact with the art. And it's also important for us to create a holistic experience. So you have a gallery, but you can get a really good cocktail, you can get some food, you can shop local art while you're here. So it's kind of an all-in-one experience.
I love that. And in the next couple of months, do y'all have any changes with your art gallery, or what's coming up for y'all?
Yeah, so we are permanent, so we always want to make sure people know that. And I think in this space, people assume you're just kind of a traveling art show and you're not going to be there very long. So we will rotate our art every 6 to 8 months. So we really want locals to come back a couple times a year, see what else is new. And we'll have some holiday stuff coming out here in a couple weeks, some different fun things. And I'm sure we'll do things around Fiesta. We'll constantly keep it fresh, have live music, have yoga events. So definitely follow us.
Yeah, that's great. And what would you say is your most Instagrammable spot in this art gallery?
It's like children. It's too hard to pick one, but I do tend to see color therapy a ton, and I don't know if that's because it's so visual, but it's also very impactful. People just seem to, I think in 2020, we all need a little color therapy in our lives, so I think that people are really connecting to that piece.
Well, I'm super excited to look at all the artwork that y'all have here, so let's go ahead and check them out. Well guys, I just finished touring Hopscotch. It was such a fun, interactive experience. I'd recommend y'all come down here with your friends any day of the week, grab a drink, explore the art gallery and everything it has to offer. And when y'all come down, make sure you let them know that Eat Drink Local Texas sent y'all. Bye guys.